ask you something? Last day we were discussing about the first chapter,
Chapter 1, Chief
chapter
Seated
1.
Speech.
Chapter 1.
Okay,
Chief Seated
definitely.
Speech.
I hope every one
Yeah,
of you
correct.
had a glance
Theater
over it.
speech.
Yes.
Have you read it?
Miss,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
yes, but didn't understand something.
Didn't understand why. That sounds really awkward enough. You have read it and you didn't understand. Let me see what is the
This
problem with that chapter.
chapter is not interesting. To study,
Chapter is not interesting. My God.
to study. Other chapter
We
is
shall do
very
something and go
interesting
for
to read
ICSE
and all.
syllabus. See, that's all about the history, and often history gives bitter truth. And we cannot tell that it can be interesting and it cannot be interesting. It's all about history, and there are some people who are really interested in historical things.
Miss,
Yeah,
Miss in English short stories workbook there is tribal belief system and Western belief system. What is the difference
yeah.
between both?
Okay, I can tell you the difference between the tribal belief system and the Western belief system is something related with the civilized and like ancient roots. As I told you before, in tribal belief system, there occurs some kind of, they are always giving importance to the tradition beliefs of their ancestors. But in other hands, in Western belief system, they are all concentrated in such kind of modern things. They doesn't give like importance to emotions or any kind of such ancient things. See, in the concluding of this chapter itself, we have got an idea in which orator is telling that ancestors of the whom whites will
White
disappear
Indians.
from this world, but in a relation with ancestors of blacks will still remain here. So that is a mentioning in which they are pretty sure that they cannot go away from this land. So a kind of like what can I say? A kind of attachment with men towards nature
Miss,
is being portrayed beautifully in this chapter. And what you told me that it can be boring because we are feeling something really boring because we are not able to relate that matter
miss,
with the
yes,
present scenario, because in our world we are not able to connect the things because we don't have such kind of racial discrimination in between us. Imagine in our class itself, do we have any kind of racial discrimination or caste discrimination? We can't think about it because according to us that things were like done or practiced ages before. So that's what makes us things really boring. So for the
miss
time being, in
was
the question answers,
miss
please take page number
miss
25 of your workbook.
miss was Red
Please take
Indians
page
following
number
tribal belief
25.
system.
Yonder the sky that has wept tears of compassion upon my people for centuries, untold and which to us appears changeless and eternal, may change. Today is fair, tomorrow may be overcast with clouds. My words are like so I've received a call just now. Whatever Seattle says, the great chief at Washington can rely upon him a much certainty as he can upon the return of sun or the seasons. The white chief says the big chief at Washington sends us greeting of friendship and goodwill. The first question, who speaks these words, give the meaning of yonder sky that has wept over
Chief
tears of
Seated
compassion upon my people for centuries untold. Who told these words?
Chief Seated spoke these
These were
words.
told by
Chief
Chief
Seated.
Seattle in her speech. And again, yonder sky that has wept
Distant
tears of compassion
place.
upon my people for centuries under. Yonder sky means what you mean
Distant.
by yonder sky? Distant sky has
Distant.
wept the tears of compassion upon my people for centuries untold. For
Distant.
centuries, their grief is being told untold. Why does the speaker say, tomorrow it may be overcast with clouds? What will be its effect on you told that you have already read it. Ellen, please answer. Ellen, please answer. Why does the speaker say, tomorrow it may be overcast with clouds? What will be its effect on his people? Ellen
Miss,
Prinjo, are you there? Ellen Prinjo. Ellen, I'm asking to you. Ellen Prinjo. I'm asking to Ellen. Ellen, get me a call after this class, okay? All right. Alfia. Alfia.
Miss.
Alfia, please switch on your audio and start speaking about it. Alfia.
Yes, miss.
Alfia.
Yes, miss.
See, what's happening to you people? Just now you spoke
Miss.
and you're able to speak.
Miss. Yeah.
Juan Chando. Juan.
Miss.
Chando.
Miss. I am there, miss.
All right.
Miss Alfie is there.
Tomorrow it may be overcast with clouds. The speaker is telling that tomorrow it may overcast with clouds. Ma'am, can I ask a doubt? Elizabeth, do one thing. Please switch on your audio and ask me.
Miss, in this lesson is Red Indians.
Answer. Yeah, I know everyone is there, and while asking question, you won't answer. Only for asking doubt only you'll switch on your audio. And it sounds really bad. After this class, I'm gonna call each and every one of you.
Miss,
Please
is
take page number 19. So you can, in between
Miss.
Elizabeth, you were asking
Miss.
me some doubts. Please ask.
Miss
Elizabeth, please ask me. You're having some doubts.
Miss is Red Indians following tribal belief system.
Elizabeth, I'm not able to hear you.
Miss, in this lesson
Miss not clear.
is Red Indians following tribal belief system.
Okay, tell me.
In this lesson is Red Indians following tribal belief system.
Yes, tribal belief system. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And again, Priya, can you please switch off your fan? And again, we have a distinction between tribal belief system and Western belief system. And what do you mean the difference between tribal belief system and Western belief system? Any idea? You have
In
given the
tribal
box and
belief
it's
system,
Hmm.
in tribal belief system, they tell that Earth is for everyone.
It's not
And-
Earth, it's Earth. Tell me.
Earth.
Hmm.
Earth is for everyone and it cannot be divided.
Okay, in tribal belief system, as I told you before, they are giving importance to nature and land. But in Western belief system, they are not giving any kind of importance to humanity or land or as such. They are only concentrated in like earning money, and they are being too civilized and claiming themselves as civilized. And they are telling all kind of tribal beliefs are of meaningless and it's being outdated. Please look to the second point. Every part of earth, be it valley, a mountain, a rock, is sacred. What do you mean by sacred? Something has a kind of holiness.
Holiness.
Miss. Miss video is gone. Miss video is gone. Video
Miss,
is gone.
video gone.
Video gone. Now you
Miss,
are able to see me, right?
no.
No,
Again, why?
don't know.
See you.
Is it okay? Can you see me?
No, I can't see.
Yeah, now okay.
Now it's okay. Elizabeth.
Yes, okay. Yes, okay.
Ellen, okay, fine. And in again Western belief system, they gives importance for the technology, but in a tribal belief system, they preserve the earth for subsequent generation. What do you mean by preserve the earth? A kind of renewable resources. They are like using the resources in a kind of renewable method. They are like putting something extra for their future generation as they foresee something. But in present generation, what we are doing, we are like exhausting all kind of resources, and we never concerned about the coming generation. All right. So these are the major difference between tribal belief system and Western belief system, and you have to read it and you have to keep an idea over it. This is really important. Okay. And again, while dealing with the clash of civilization means, I've told you, a civilization, the sole word means like getting civilized, getting modernized. Getting modernized is a kind of abandoning a kind of all the resources, even earth, and even all kind of natural resources. We are not giving importance or priority for it, but we are only giving importance for the technological growth. Technological growth is like very important for our enhancement. That doesn't mean that we have to spoil our natural resources for improving our technological growth. So we'll go back to question. I think I asked the question to Alfia. I've asked
Yes,
the
miss.
question. Okay, Alfia, please answer. Why does the speaker say tomorrow it may be overcast with clouds? What will be its effect on his people?
Nothing.
Tomorrow it may be overcast with cloud. What do you mean by that? You told that you people already read it. Then why don't you answer? I've given you 2-3 days to read. Tell me. Tomorrow it may be. Alfie, I'm asking to you. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Hope you didn't read it. Okay. Alfie, you didn't read it? Tell me the truth whether you have read the textbook or
No,
not.
I didn't read.
You didn't read, that's the reason. Okay, great. See, I've told you this is not an easy chapter, and without reading, you are not able to grasp anything, a single thing, because it's all about history. It's not something you can write all of it from air, isn't it? It's okay. I cannot do anything further because if you are not able to read it, that doesn't mean that I have to like re-repeat each and everything. Why does the speaker
I
say
don't know
tomorrow
what
it
to
will be?
do without you.
Why does the speaker say tomorrow it may be overcast with clouds? Means speaker is speaking
Speaker
about
saying that tomorrow will be cloudy
uh,
because it may affect the people by heavy rain, flood, or anything.
it's not about. I've told you before about the literal meaning and symbolic meaning. Now they present
ma'am.
a youth generation. That means that impulsive is being sitting okay, but he is telling that today is fair. Today the condition is okay, but I don't know what will happen. The condition of tomorrow. It may be clouds. It may be dark enough. It may be clouds, means which began to rain,
Rain.
isn't it?
Yes.
The situation may change. You don't want to look always towards a literal meaning. There are something always related with the symbolic meaning in this kind of things because the orator is being too much philosophical enough. And we got an idea about the orator Chief Seattle. He is not such a literate man. So everything that his comparison may not be in an apt way. He is like interrupting in his own way. Okay. And again, the third one, who is referred to great chief at Washington? You have to
Miss,
answer.
can't see
Yeah.
you.
George Washington
Now
is
also
the
you can't
great
see
chief
me.
at Washington.
See,
No,
somebody's
miss.
face network.
No.
You're not able to see me.
No, miss, we can't see. Your video is off.
Miss, miss. Miss,
It's okay now. Is it okay by now?
no. No, miss.
Now can
ma'am.
you see me?
No. Yeah, okay.
No. It's okay.
Now okay. Yes, it's okay. Miss, now gone.
No,
Now
gone,
also
miss.
gone. Wait. I think it's okay by now.
Yes, okay.
It's
Yes.
okay.
Yes, it came.
Yeah. And again, we were discussing about the third question. Who is
It's
referred to
referred
great
as the
chief
great
at
chief of
Washington?
Washington.
Okay. Who was the great chief?
George Washington.
Okay. What has the great chief done to? Yeah, that's answer. What has the great chief done to Seattle and his people?
He sent his greetings of friendship and goodwill.
Okay. And
He can send
he
his
wants
greetings,
to. Okay.
friendship and goodwill.
Yeah, that's it. He want to create a friendship and goodwill, and he is now telling that there is no different God, whites and black. Both are having again the video gone.
Yes, ma'am, your video is off.
Now it's okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay, both are having the same God, isn't it? So he want to create a
Yes.
friendship, and he is telling indirectly that we don't have any kind of discrimination. He is not having the right agenda. He is thinking that he want to plunge or plunder their land. He is telling that I would like to buy it instead of telling that I am gonna plunder your land. What do you mean by plunder? What is the meaning of plunder? To take away somebody's thing without their permission. Okay. And how much are Seattle's words reliable as far as the great chief is concerned? What does it tells about the Seattle's character? That's what we were discussing about.
Chief
Seattle is
Seattle loves his land.
uh, he really loves his land, and he is having a connection with the land and human, and he is telling that about the character of Washington also. He is not such a genuine personality, and we cannot rely on them. What does it tell
He
us
was a
about Seattle's
spiritual
character?
man.
He is having an inclination towards spirituality, and what I can add more is that he is something related with the enlightenment also.
Religion,
Yeah. It's not about religion. See, tribal beliefs
tradition.
doesn't mean that it's all about traditions in need. Okay.
Yes.
Please state the reaction of Chief Seattle to the greeting sent by Big Chief at Washington. Who is the Big Chief?
Big chief.
Who is the Big Chief? Great Chief and Big Chief. I have already told you Great Chief and Big Chief.
Washington. George Washington.
Winston.
Vincent Churchill.
George Washington.
My God, you
Governor.
are having you are
George
having a
Washington.
joke. Exactly the governor. Yeah, governor. Definitely. I've told you in the last class who is big chief and great chief. Okay, who is big chief, and we have already discussed it. Actually, the reaction of Chief Seattle is that he is not interested in such kind of division between what white's god and black's god. It's something really absurdity, because even the white is like proclaiming all god are same, and even they are being telling that the god of white is same as god of black also. Then again there will be some kind of partiality between them. Please don't make noise. Read the extract given below in the answer question. His people are many. His people are many. They are like the grass that covers a vast prairies. Many people are few. They resemble the scattering trees of a storm-swept plain. The great and I presume good, the white chief sent us a world that he wishes to buy our land, but is willing to allow such enough to live comfortably. This in need appears just even generous, for the red man no longer has the right that he need respect. An offer may be wise also that we are no longer in need of an extensive country. Compare the number of Chief Seattle's people with that white chief. How does the narrator illustrate?
He was having, at one time, he was having many people, a large number of people.
Chief Seattle's people are less compared to the number of white chief.
Okay.
He was having a large number of people one time. At once.
The narrator illustrates it as the grass that covers the vast prairies, and now they resemble as scattering trees of a storm-swept plain.
Very good, very good, very good. What message does White Chief send to native people? He is telling that I'm gonna buy your land, and
He's going to buy
willing
their
to,
land.
if you
He's
would like
saying
to live
comfortably
comfortably
there.
in it.
That's true.
definitely,
Yeah.
yeah. And little later, how does Seattle describe that his people were numerous once upon a time? Just
He
now you
tells
told
that
that line.
he tells that he was having a large number of people, and it was only a memory. Now they are like a memory.
Okay, all right. State the message sent by White Chief to the native people. How did native react to the message?
They
Listen, that's
White
told
chief
that
told
they
that
have
he's going to take their
they need
land
respect and
and
they
they
need,
can live comfortably.
have to live comfortably.
What's it? Yes, ma'am.
they need respect and
Then that indeed appears just even generous.
ഇപ്പൊ കാണുന്നില്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ കാണുന്നില്ലേ? ഇപ്പോഴും
no, now
കാണുന്നില്ല?
it's gone. No.
I've done it before.
Hello?
See,
Hello?
I'm not video is not able to switch on. So I'll do one thing. Able to switch on. Now it's okay. Is it okay by now? Can you see me?
No, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you
Oh,
see me
no.
now?
No.
All
No,
right.
it's gone.
No, miss.
Now,
Yes,
now
now
it's
it's
okay, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now okay.
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 Everyone, it's okay, right?
Yes.
Not okay. Yes, miss.
Yes. Yes, miss, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, okay, miss. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay, miss.
Fine. Okay. A little later, how does Seattle describe that his people were numerous once upon a time?
He,
A little
he
later.
tells that he tells that he was having a large number of people, but
What?
now it's only a memory.
But now few people
Sir,
only
but now
is having.
people
Because his little people dead or
people
decayed.
memory.
He tells that youth is
Miss, now we are again gone.
See, I've told you once that
Um,
if you are not able to see me, don't concentrate on the video. Please concentrate on my audio. It's having some
okay,
problem, I
miss.
think. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Uh, Okay. So this was a little later. How does Seattle describe his people were numerous? He is telling that at olden
His
age.
people was very large in number,
Okay. Now he is
but
not
now it's
having.
only a memory. And
Now
he's
it's
telling it's only a
Now
memory.
some people only.
Okay, okay. State the message sent by white chief to native people. How did natives react to message?
He told that
Natives told that they
he
should
want
get
to
the
buy their
respect.
land and you live
to buy
comfortably.
land and is willing to
They
allow
He wanted to buy their
natives
land.
told that they need
comfortably.
respect.
Uh,
They have rights and they need respect.
Okay, good. What happened in West world? People take revenge man. Actually, what happened when white man began to actually
What's
white
your
man
audio stuck?
Yes.
now it's okay.
No.
Okay. What happened? Now also my audio is not okay.
No, okay now.
Okay. What happened when the white okay? What happened when the white man began to push the native westwards? The white man began to push the native westwards because they wanted to buy the land and ask the native to live in their own land. Okay. Should the native people take revenge on the white man? Why? See, there are high chances of taking revenge because he also already told that the youth is like impulsive and we cannot think about it. See the lines. Buy our lands. Can you able to hear me?
We can hear.
Yes,
It's
miss,
appears
we can hear.
Just appears just even generals for red man no longer has a right to need respect. So they wanted to be get respected. Okay. And the last question, what happened when the white man began to push the native westward? Should the native we have discussed it, and we'll go to the next extract. Our good father in Washington, for I presume he is now our father as well yours. Since King George has moved his boundaries further north, our great and good father, I say, sends us a word that if do he desires, he will protect us. His brave warriors will be to us bristling wall of strength, and his wonderful ships of the war fill our harbors, so that our nation enemies, north Haidas and Tishiames will cease to frighten our women children. Who is referred to our father in Washington? Who
Our
is
father,
referred to
King
uh,
George.
George Washington.
King George.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Since when he has become our father and your father? Now you are telling that from now onwards you are telling that our father and your father is of same, isn't it? Under what condition is good father going to protect the native people? What does it mean by bristling wall of strength?
Under the condition of brave
Uh,
warriors.
yeah, under. Yeah, that's it. Who are Haidas and
Brave
Tishmans? Who
Hades
are
and Tishmans are our ancient
already
enemies in the
enemies?
north world.
Yeah. How they will cease to frighten the natives because they are having a habit of fighting against them. Okay, natives.
Woman, child, and
Yeah,
old
yeah, that's
men.
it. How does the Chief Seattle prove that the white man's God is not God of natives? Again, Chief Seattle
Because
is
white
telling.
man, God will not look for the red man's God. So he
Yeah,
tells that
both
white
are
man's
different.
God different.
Uh, a little earlier, Chief Seattle explained the youth is impulsive. What does he say that? What does it reflect about his character? He is telling that youth is impulsive and it's being such a kind of, we cannot predict what
Man
they will
cannot.
do in future. So that's just youth is
They
like,
are considered to be gained.
yeah. And again we are he is adding that even the youth went for war against him, only their parents will lose their son and brother. So there is no use, already the number is diminishing day by day, their number. Okay. Next extract. Our God, the Great Spirit, seems also to have forsaken. Your God makes your people wax stronger every day. So soon they will fill our land. Our people are ebbing away like rapidly residing tide that will now return. The wise man God cannot love our people. Please underline. He would protect them. They seems to be orphan who can look nowhere to help. How can they be to be brothers? How can your God become our God and renew our prosperity and awaken in our dreams of returning greatness? Who is referred as to the God of natives?
Great
Why does
Spirit.
he, yeah, why does he seem to have forgotten them?
Because he was looking for the
It
whites.
means God cannot
He was
love their
strengthening
people.
the whites every day.
Okay, okay. Why are
And
the
Strengthening
he
natives
would
whites.
compared? Okay, why are the natives compared to
the
the
great
reside?
spirit is the great
The
spirit
Great
is
Spirit was
referred.
not looking after for the red people.
Yeah, yeah, that's
That's why
na-
they were compared to
natives
as
are
orphans.
compared to
Because
residing
number
types and
of
often.
their
Yeah,
tribe
number
is
is
decreasing day by day.
decreasing day by day. Why does the chief says that if there was a common father for both race, he must be partial? Because even the whites and blacks are having the
Should
common
be
father, and he, if he is white, definitely the
should be
white
equal,
God will be uh,
partial to
like,
whites.
He will consider both whites and blacks equal.
no, he will not consider both of them equal. He will be partial to
Whites.
whites because he is the god of whites. Yeah, I've
Yes.
told you difference between headmasters of CBSE and state. They are put it into different situation. So that's the same thing. How does the speech of Chief show that his people were oppressed? How does the speech of Chief show that his people are oppressed? He told that number of his people is being
Is
decreasing, and he
decreasing.
also uses
Yes, God is
our
not
people.
looking after for his
Yeah.
people,
Then
and
our
they
people are
became
ebbing away
orphans,
like a rapidly residing tide, and they are being
and they
treated
are
as
going.
orphan.
They seem to be orphans.
Good, good. Finally, the chief says that we are two distant races with separate origins and separate destinies. Why does he give example to prove his statement? Separate origin means the black origin and white origin is entirely different. Then,
Different
so
from
their destinies are also different. So we
different.
cannot unite them in one fine morning, even though we are telling that you can come and live in our land and we will buy your land and I'll become your good godfather and I can give you all kind of shelter. That's not possible in reality. Okay, read the extract. Your religion was written upon tablets of stone by iron finger of your God, so that you cannot forget. The red man could never comprehend or remember it. Our religion is a tradition of our ancestors, the dreams of our old men, given them in solemn hours of night of great spirit, the vision of our sachems, and is written in the hearts of our people. See, he is telling that your religion is some kind of made up religion which is already written with iron hands, means it's never going to change, everything is artificial, and but it's really different from ours because ours lies upon the
Tradition
tradition that
of our
built
ancestors,
ancestors
old
and
people, old
yeah,
men,
old people, and it was built with hours of
great spirit.
greats, with the help of great spirits and visions of seconds and written in the
Solemn
hearts of
hours
our
in
people.
night.
Yeah, that's it. What was a red man's religion? Red man's religion was
Was the
related with
tradition of
tradition.
our
Traditions,
ancestors.
Okay. How?
dreams of
Yeah.
old men given them
Okay.
in solemn hours.
Yeah. How can you conclude that the natives are more dependent on their ancestors than white men? Because natives are more
Because they
dependent because
followed the ancestors'
yeah,
tradition as their religion.
tradition.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
why
that's it.
they conclude that natives are more dependent on their ancestors than white
Who
men.
is this? Who is speaking?
Elizabeth,
Elizabeth. Very good, Elizabeth. What does Seattle say about Christianity or new religion?
Christianity, he still
Wrote
that
this.
their religion was written upon stones by the
Stones,
iron fingers,
fingers,
God's
and it's
finger,
really strong enough, and so
and you
that
cannot
there is no
forget
change.
it.
Okay.
It's to forget
Give
it.
three. Okay. Give 3 points of distinction between a religion of white man and that of red man.
Religion,
White
white man
religion,
followed the
some
things
rules
which
and
was written
regulation
upon
which is
iron
already
finger.
written up, iron finger,
Red
but
man, red
Red
man
men
followed
followed
the
the
traditions of
traditions
our
of ancestors.
ancestors
ancestors.
and sisters.
And
Their
Dreams of old
solemn
men.
hours of the night were written with
Okay,
the
okay.
help of
In
great spirit.
white man, the religion is all according
Wisdom
to
of
rules and
our
regulation,
faith
which is already
written in the
written.
hearts
But
of the people.
in considered it to white man, it's already written. But in black man, it's already written in the heart. And again, black man blindly believes the tradition of their ancestors and practices. White man goes for some kind of things which already written. Okay.
Tablets of stone.
What do you mean by tablets of stone?
It's the thing in which the God has written
Okay.
and cannot be
Iron finger.
forgotten by.
Yeah. Iron fingers of your God means.
Which cannot be changed.
We change.
Which cannot be forgotten too.
Okay. Next extract. Your dear cease to love you, the land of your nativity, as soon as they pass the portals of the tomb and wander away beyond the stars. They are soon forgotten and never returned. Our dead never forget this beautiful world that gave them being. They still love its verdant valleys, its murmuring rivers, its magnificent mountains, and twisted valleys and verdant lines, lakes and bays, and ever yearns in tender for an affection of the lonely hearted not happy hunting ground to visit, guide, console, and comfort them. And the first question is, why do the dead of white man cease to love their land and their property?
Because they
Why?
were
Hmm.
passed to tombs
Yeah.
and they were wandered
Okay.
from the stars.
Yes, yes. On other hand, what do the dead of red man do their living? The dead man never the dead of red man is always lives in between them.
Beautiful world.
They did not forget the beautiful world.
They love paradise valleys,
They
murmur,
are always with
Yeah,
them.
they lives in mountains and
sequestered
valleys and
lands
And
murmuring
their dead
rivers.
is never
base.
their
Yeah.
dead never forgot the beautiful world.
Affection over the lonely hearted.
Okay. What proposal was put forward to Red Man by Great White Chief? He told that I'll buy your land and you can live there comfortably.
They comfortably.
Okay. What is the impact of proposal on Red Man and White Man? Red Man is being imposed some rules and command over by White Man. He is telling,
Yes.
I'll buy it. That means he is keeping some kind of right over them, as he claims himself to be too much civilized and other to be odd one. What role do the dead red man play for living? How do the dead red men show that they are intimate part of the nature? Because
Because the dead
they are
their dead never
after
forget the beautiful world
If
that the
even
God
if they are
gave them.
led, they
land
are
also
with them
are living in the
in the
same.
form of magnificent mountains,
Yeah, that's it.
valleys.
That's it. And again,
Secret.
we'll read the extract. Tribe follow tribes, nation follow nations, like the waves of sea. It's order of nature, and regret is useless. Your time of decay may be distant, but it will surely come. For God walked and talked with him as a friend to friend, cannot be exempt from the common destiny. We may be brothers after all. We will see. So,
Not see.
yeah. How has the chief shown the earlier that he is not happy about the fate of his people?
He is not happy because his people
Diminishing
is
day by day.
distant and their
Yeah.
decays may be distant, and
But
he
it
is
will
The
sure
decay may
that
distant, but it will surely come. For even the white man
woman
who
whose God
God
walked and
can
talked
talk
with
with
him.
him as friend to friend. Cannot be exempt from the common destiny.
okay, that is rough. him. But it will show for even the white man who's gone, walked and talked. See, he's telling that even for the white man, there will be companion. Or this red man will be there. Even they are dead. They are being living along with them. So he'll be a friend to this white man forever. To decay or yeah. We may be brothers after all. We may be brothers after all means
After all the
what do you mean by we may be
red
brothers
men,
after
we will be with you. We will
Even
walk
after the death of
talk
red
with
men,
you.
they will be with the white men
With the white
always.
okay, very good. What could the kings given the instruction for that chief force is the unity of all human beings. The ending he is telling that even though our God is different, even though our traditions are different, we are having something similarity or common thing. After all, we are brothers. We are from the same human race because even you people are not in good numbers. Our dead red man will be there with you. Don't feel that we went all of a sudden from this land. We are with you. We can feel us. And again, the last extent in all, there is no place dedicated to gratitude. Right? When the in all, you know, tell them the invisible tell that if somebody is dead, he'll not be here. He can be, he may be here, he may not be here. So he is giving that hint. At night, when the streets of your cities and villages are silent, and youth them deserted, they have been drawn with returning boats and boats and still have a beautiful land. The white man will never be alone because the white man will be always accompanied by the black man or red man. It's red man. Explain why there is no place dedicated to solitude. Why? No place is dedicated to solitude or being alone because at night,
At night, when the streets of your cities and villages are silent,
villages are silent,
you think
may
them
be silent, but it's not actually. Think them
deserted, they will
they'll
come
be
with the
thrown
returning
with
hope that once filled them and still love.
There will be
when
hope.
when
And
do the
we'll have
shadows
to
visit
share a beautiful
the
life.
places? These
At night, when the street of
shadows
cities and
visit the
villages are
places.
silent,
Streets of your cities and villages are silent.
And when they are deserted, and when they
You think them deserted, they will
Means
be returning hosts.
you think everything is being deserted, these spirits will be coming. And would the memory of the tribe be made? The white man will be thinking the memory of tribe long ago. So you don't want to believe as such because there's a memory we are living along towards the object. The dead is being lived in
Mr.
nature
Audio
and they
stuck
cannot be
sometimes.
separated from that. Is it okay now? Pardon?
Okay.
Okay.
Explain how explain how does a speech for the theme of changing human life to another. So that speech is mouthpiece of philosophy and philosophy is that even though you are dead, you don't think you have you are
Mr.
of your capacity of creativity.
Miss, your audio stuck.
Is it okay? My
it's not clear.
No, miss. Audio is stucking.
No, ma'am.
It's not
okay?
clear properly.
Audio is sometimes stuck.
Stuck always.
Audio stucking. Audio stucking.
The video is also stuck.
Audio and video.
And video stuff.
Both are stucking. Video and video. Ah, no.
Now it's okay.
Okay, now okay.
Now it's okay.
Now this is
Okay.
okay.
Is it started?
Philosophy which is
Now also audio stuck.
Oh, yes.
Stuck.
can't hear you.
Yes, we can't hear. Yes, we can't hear.
I can't see you. I'm not hearing also.
Yes, video's gone. Video's gone. Video's gone.
Now is okay. The
Audio is okay.
Now, audio is okay. Video's not coming. Video's not coming.
Clear for me.
Can't see you.
Clear for me.
Yes, we can't see.
Voice is breaking.
there are some issues with your network.
So audio is stuck.
Stuck, miss.
Audio is being stuck. Audio is stuck.
Now okay.
Now, okay. So after human life, after completing the human life, they are getting another life also. Okay, so that's it. That's why they can accompany the white people. So that's all about the lesson. So you have to read it once again and write the answers. And I'll give you the answers. That doesn't mean that you have to copy it. You have to write it by your own. Okay. So try.
Okay, miss. Miss, now also audio is stuck.
Miss.